sensitive individuals I have ever met.
Me? You talking to me?
I'm talking to you.
I don't understand why. I'm very sensitive.
Randy Savage was bitten by a venomous king cobra, and you have no compassion?
Well, had he stayed in the announce position and not tried to get involved in something that was none of his business, he'd still be all right.
We'll have more on that as we stated at the top of the hour. But right now, ladies and gentlemen, the Earthquake, who will be teaming up with the likes of Jake the Snake Roberts, IRS, and of course, Typhoon. All four of those individuals comprising one team at the Survivor Series.
Has told me, McMahon, that this guy is on the take more than anybody he's ever seen or ever heard of.
Right now he's on the take, all right. The take from the Earthquake, who's really giving him a going. Series of elbows to the small of the back. Earthquake now, big, massive individual, whipping the boss man to the buckle. Not wasting any time at all, going to work on the boss man. Both individuals very accustomed to individual competition, but how will they fare in the tag team, the elimination at the Survivor Series?
Well, I think the big boss man plans on hiding behind Legion of Doom so IRS don't get his hands on him.
Well, now you mentioned boss man and his partners, the Legion of Doom. Who will be teaming up with them? Surely Jack Tunney will not allow the three of them, boss men and LOD, to have to face the four, Jake the Snake, the Natural Disasters collectively, in IRS. I don't believe he would allow that inequity.
Well, you know the way LOD thinks. They take on six guys by themselves. They don't care.
Not when it involves the Natural Disasters.
Well, that's what I think.
If ever they met their match in tag team competition, it would have to be the Natural Disasters.
You see, LOD...
Ooh, look at that. He misses.
Their game plan is to pick people up, heave them around, intimidate people. You're not going to pick up the Natural Disasters and throw them around like a bunch of Cabbage Patch.
Oh, no, watch this. The boss man. A hard right. Boss man, uppercut. Look at that. Oh,
on his feet.
Mixing it up. Maybe not for long off the rope. And the kick to the jaw. Earthquake is still up. Finally. Crashing down.
Yeah, but you're not going to pick Earthquake up over your head and press slam him like LOD likes to do to people.
Definitely not. No way you're going to do that. Jimmy Hart hoping that the Natural Disasters will once again take him into the Tag Team Championship all the way to the top. Well, as the Nasty Boys did.
He's done it before. He's managed a lot of tag teams.
Wait a minute. Jimmy, look out! Look out, Jimmy!
He'll never catch him.
Boss man right back in, catching the Earthquake. Headbutt by the boss man. Oh my goodness.
Great wrestling. Great wrestling.
No, wait a minute. It's not great wrestling.
You're right.
I'm not pretending that it is. But if you're in there against the Earthquake, you better pull out all the stops. Because if you don't, he's going to.
Well, then you agree with what happened with Jake the Snake Roberts and Savage.
No, that's not pulling out all the stops.
I would say.
I really have my doubts as to whether or not that was a legitimate accident. According to Jake the Snake, it was an accident. The King Cobra was to have been devenomized. It was an accident as it relates to the last. I don't believe that.
You know, as a broadcast journalist, I asked him, and he told me it was an accident. He said, trust me.
Yeah, and you did.
Well, I have to take the man's word for it. Who am I to call someone a liar?
That's a good point. It's a very good point. Boss man, big. Oh, they're trading blows here. There's a possibility the Macho Man will be reinstated. There's a possibility he'll be back in action, and it just might be this coming Wednesday night at the Survivor Series. Oh, look at this.
Come on, ref, untie him.
The Boss Man. Oh, nice slap across the face. Jimmy Hart beside himself.
That's his specialty. When a guy's incarcerated, he likes to slap him around. But one-on-one, he's nothing but a meter maid from Cobb County.
Well, wait a minute. Who's IRS coming down the ringside? Boss Man has his eyes on him. What's going to happen? We'll be back as we continue with more of the Survivor Series Showdown. We're back with more of the Survivor Series Showdown. And you can see Jimmy Hart helping the Earthquake. unleashing it from behind on the Earthquake, attacking. Oh, my. Bossman himself now hugging the rope. Come on, man.
It seems like out of there. He has a semi-handcuff on there, huh? He's all tied up.
Oh, come on, ref. IRS has no business being at ringside. None whatsoever.
Why isn't he partners of one of the natural disasters at Survivor Series?
Yes, but he shouldn't be at ringside.
When you're IRS, you can do whatever you want. Don't you know that?
Look at that. Standing right up on the finger.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. That's the hand he takes bribes with.
Oh, no.
That's the hand he puts out to take bribes with. Don't do that.
Stop it.
Beautiful. Look at you now, boss man. He's nothing.
Tell him, Jimmy.
Earthquake and Typhoon, the natural disasters, teaming up with Jake the Snake Roberts and IRS to be opposed by the Boss Man and his team, the Legion of Doom, and perhaps one other individual to join them. Originally, of course, you will recall, it was none other than Sid Justice. Mr. Justice, unfortunately, injured. And now, it was to have been perhaps Randy Savage, if in fact he can be reinstated. And if in fact he is physically capable, which we're told he will be by this Wednesday. Oh, nice maneuver.
Who really cares if Savage is reinstated?
Who cares?
Yeah.
Everybody cares. Boss Man is taking care of business, and Randy Savage cares if no one else does. But there are a lot of people out there who do. And for the benefit of those of you who do feel strongly, who do care one way or the other, we have a special vote line set up. Jack Tunney will have the results tomorrow morning. If in fact you feel Randy Savage should be reinstated, then you vote yes by dialing 1-900-400-9931.
And if you don't want him reinstated, you dial no. You dial 100.
That's 1-900.
I was just going to say that. 1-900-400-9941.
Yeah.
Trying to make a fool out of me.
That's easy.
You're just trying to swerve to people so they won't call that number.
And by the way, let me hasten to add this. It's 79 cents per call.
Oh, forget it.
And for the benefit of those of you who are underage, make sure you have your parents' permission before you make the call. Randy Savage is on a campaign to be reinstated. And I'll tell you what, he has my vote.
Well, I'll tell you, if Jack Tunney wants to reinstate him and he shows up at Survivor Series, I don't know what would happen with Jake the Snake Roberts and him.
Boss Man out to roll. Oh, no. That was to have been a clothesline. Earthquake ducking underneath. Boss Man to the outside. Erwin R. Shyster, IRS.
Minding his own business.
At the moment he may be. One of the team members of the Earthquake, Typhoon, and Jake the Snake.
Come on, Hick. Get in the ring.
What do you mean, Hick?
Oh, he's a Hick, you know.
Earthquake?
Not an Earthquake.
Oh, no.
The Boss Man.
Well, I know one thing. He is unquestionably law and order here in the WWF. Oh, my.
Yeah, Captain Graft, we call him.
Who?
Captain Graft. The guy will take a payoff from anybody.
Stop.
He's on the take. He was a meter maid, you know, in Cobb County.
He was not.
I used to call him Barney down there.
Barney?
Yeah, like Barney Fife.
Earthquake winding up the Big Boss Man. This has developed into quite an encounter. You wonder what will happen when the team members get together this Wednesday night at the Survivor Series. Earthquake really working on the arm.
I'll tell you something.
Look at that.
There'll be more hits in Joe Louis Arena this Wednesday night than Motown ever had.
Boss Man having his problems now with that left arm. Oh, nice. Nice. Again. Elbow striking the butt of the jaw. A series of them. Earthquake back to the corner. Boss Man back to the midsection. And again.
Come on, Earthquake. Take over on him. Don't let him do that to you. You're bigger than him.
And the big ball. Reversal now. Earthquake turning the tide again.
Working on that bad wrist.
These two may not be in very good shape come this Wednesday night at the Survivor Series. They're taking an awful lot out of each other in this individual competition.
Hear the people chanting, Irwin, Irwin. They love him.
They love him? I don't believe so. Look at this maneuver. Oh, the back of the Nice maneuver on the part of the boss man.
I think that was
Earthquake is out. He's out cold. Cover him. Cover that man. Get on him. Cover him. One,
He can't hold him.
2, 3. He got him.
No. He got that shoulder up. He can't hold him.
IRS, would you hear the boss man as the Earthquake right where it hurts him? IRS, continue.
Did you see that? IRS kicked it. IRS protected himself. The boss man kicked at him.
Earthquake should be disqualified right now because of outside interference.
Well,
He
the
should
boss
be
man
disqualified.
No.